Hello kids, today we will learn about the type of the fractions. As we know, fractions are to represent a part of the whole. Okay, so examples of fractions are like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 5, 7 by 11, 19 by 25 and etc. like this. Okay, so now if we talk about the types of the fractions, what are the type of the fractions? We have proper fractions. Proper fractions are where numerator is less than the denominator, like 1 by 2, 7 by 11, 19 by 25, where numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, these are called proper fraction. Next are improper fraction. Improper fractions are where numerator is more than the denominator. Like we can say 11 by 9. Where numerator is more than the denominator, then this fraction is called a improper fractions. Some more examples of the improper fractions are like 7 by 2, 25 by 7, where numerators are greater than the denominators. These are called improper fractions. Next are unit fractions. Unit fractions are those fractions where numerator is 1. So 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 8, etc. Where in all cases numerator is 1. So these are called unit fractions. Next is mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are those which are the combination of whole and a part, like 2, 1 by 4. Okay. So here 2 is whole and 1 by 4 is the part. So this is called the mixed fractions. 7, 1 by 9. 5, 1 by 2. So these are called mixed fractions. This is a combination of whole and a part. Okay. Next are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are like, let's understand it with an example. So suppose we have an fraction 2 by 5. So if I multiply numerator by 3 and denominator by 3, what I will get? 6 by 15. Okay. So my fractions 2 by 5 and 6 by 15 both are called equivalent fractions. Okay. Now in another case I will say if I have a fractions like 15 by 10. If I divide numerator by 5 and denominator by 5, what I will get? 3 by 2. Okay. So the fraction 15 by 10 and 3 by 2 both are equivalent fractions. So basically in the equivalent fraction is like we can divide or multiply numerator and denominator both with the same number. Here I am multiplying numerator and denominator both with the same number 3. Here I am dividing numerator and denominator both with the same number 5. So in this case 2 by 5 and 6 by 15 are equivalent fraction, and in this case 15 by 10 and 3 by 2 are equivalent fractions. Okay. Next we have like fractions. Like fractions are those fractions where denominator are same. So like 7 by 15, if I say I have 11 by 15, if I say I have 4 by 15, so all these fractions have same denominator 15. So all these fractions are called what? Like fractions. Okay. And next we have unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Where denominator are not same. So like if I have 7 by 15, if I have 11 by 10, I have 6 by 5, if I have 21 by 15. So out of all these three are unlike fractions because they all have different denominators. Whether I can say this one and this one is a like fractions because these two are having same denominator. Okay. Okay. So what are our type of the fractions? Again, proper fractions, improper fractions, unit fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay? Thank you.